You work full-time and you're still broke. Not lazy, not reckless, just stuck inside numbers that don't stretch no matter how often you run them. Every 2 weeks, your paycheck hits, $1,012 after tax, and before you even move it, you already know where it's going. $1,180 rent, $260 car payment, $140 insurance, $90 phone bill. By the time groceries show up, the money already feels borrowed. You wake up at 6:37 every morning and stare at the ceiling for a few seconds before getting up. You do the math again, quietly. Maybe this time it'll rearrange itself. It never does. At the warehouse, you lift boxes worth more than what you earn in a day. Your manager calls you reliable. Reliable means they trust you. It doesn't mean they promote you. You've asked about raises twice. Both times you heard the same thing. Budget's tight. Then one Thursday night, your friend calls. He says someone needs help moving electronics. No paperwork. Few hours, $600 cash. $600. That's more than half your weekly paycheck. You hesitate for about 3 seconds. Then you say yes. The work is simple. Load, drive, deliver. Nobody asks for receipts. Nobody asks for your ID. At the end, he hands you an envelope. 6 crisp $100 bills. You sit in your car staring at it. 3 hours, 2 days' pay. That's the first shift. Then it happens again and again. You become useful. You respond fast. You're dependable. The envelopes get thicker. 2 months later, you make $4,200 in 1 week. Your warehouse paycheck starts to feel ceremonial. One night, you sit at your kitchen table counting $117,800 in mixed bills while the fan hums overhead. You've never held that much money at once. It doesn't feel illegal. It feels overdue. You start working nights consistently. You're exhausted during the day, but the drawer under your bed starts filling faster than your bank account ever did. By month 4, you make $18,600 in cash. Your official salary still says $31,500. You wipe out $4,700 in credit card debt in one night. You drop your car loan from $8,900 to $2,100 in a week. For the first time, money responds when you move it. But you don't tell anyone. At work, your manager complains about overtime costs. You nod quietly, knowing you made more last Saturday than he did all week. Then the first crack shows up. You deposit $9,000. The teller pauses. She smiles politely and asks where it came from. Your throat tightens in a way you didn't expect. Side gigs, you say. She types something into her computer. You walk out wondering what she wrote. After that, you stop depositing big amounts. $800, $600, $1,200. You start thinking in patterns. You start thinking about visibility. You move into a better apartment. $1,950 rent. You pay the deposit in cash. The landlord doesn't ask questions. Your couch improves. Your clothes improve. Your life improves, quietly. But you learn not to upgrade too fast. Your girlfriend asks how you're affording things. Freelance stuff, you say. What kind, she asks. You change the subject. 8 months in, you have $94,000 in a drawer. You open it at night just to confirm it's real. It feels like security. It also feels like something that doesn't belong in daylight. You apply for a mortgage pre-approval online. Income, $31,500. Denied in under 2 minutes. Last month, you made $21,400. It doesn't count. At Thanksgiving, your uncle talks about working harder to get ahead. You've made over $120,000 this year. Your W-2 says $33,200. You're ahead. You just can't prove it. Then your friend wants to expand. Bigger volume, bigger deals. You could clear $40,000 in a month. You picture the drawer filling faster. You also picture explaining it. You say no.
Not because you're scared of the work, because you're scared of visibility.
You accept a promotion at the warehouse instead. $38,000 salary. You don't take it for money. You take it for legitimacy. The promotion cuts your night hours. Your monthly cash drops from $18,000 to $11,000. You feel that drop more than you expected. 1 week, the calls slow down. You make $1,100 instead of $6,000. You sit at your kitchen table staring at the smaller stack. Rent, $1,950. Insurance, $162. Utilities, $210. Groceries, $600. Your official paycheck barely covers that now. You upgraded quietly, you committed quietly, and now your life depends on money that doesn't officially exist. Your girlfriend asks again what you actually do at night. You want to explain, but once you say it out loud, it becomes something else. So you say, it's complicated. At night, you count again. $127,400. More money than anyone in your family has ever saved. You can't leverage it. You can't qualify with it. You can't celebrate it. You make more than most people around you. You qualify for less than all of them. The money's real. You just aren't on paper.